The new durable, sturdy and affordable TT140 flip phone from TTfone is the latest addition to the TTsims family of simple mobile phones. If you need a phone for texting and making calls, then the simple, easy-to-use TT140 is for you. Great for everyday use, the economy and reliability of this phone will amaze you. Enjoy clearer conversations thanks to good sound quality and loud volume. The TT140 comes with a classic clamshell flip design that will allow you to answer and end calls with just a flip and will help stop accidental pocket dials. The TT140 is very easy to set up. Simply remove the back cover by prizing it open from the notch in the bottom corner. Insert the SIM card like this. A microSD memory card can be put here. Put the battery in position. Replace the cover. Press and hold the red key to switch it on. The TT140 has a large keypad for easier typing and a user-friendly menu which has clear icons which makes it simple to use for anyone. The TT140 has an integrated camera where you can take photos and videos. Never miss a moment and keep memories alive. Overall, TT140 is another simple to use and a very handy pocket-sized phone, and the perfect phone for those who need a basic mobile phone with Bluetooth and a camera. Order yours today from TTfone, because it's easy.